Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to remove password from protected Excel sheet easily in 3 steps. I have prepared two different versions, one created with earlier version 2003 and 95 and the other one is new version. As you see, after I open the Excel sheet, it is protected and you are not able to do anything like changing fonts and or cut or copy. It is not allowed. If you want to do changes, you have to unprotect it. For this, you go to review and unprotect sheet. Of course, it asks for password. If you don't have the password, you cannot do any changes. I'll show you how to remove the password from this Excel sheet. The first step, you have to show the extension of the files. For this, I'll go to File Explorer and go to View and click View and then click File Name Extension. This way, you will be able to show the extension of the files. And as you see now, the extensions XLS is the old version and xlsx is the new version. So the second step is go to File and save the old version to the new version. For this, go to File, Save As, and pick a location, and from the Save As type, choose the first option, Excel worksheet, and this way you will convert it to the new version. And then we work on the new version. This is the new version and this is the old one. So we have now two new version. One is originally is the new version and the other one is converted from the old version. So let's work on the first one. What we do, right click and rename. Change only the extension to zip. This way we convert this file to a zip file. After changing the extension to zip, it looks like you have a zip file. So what we do, if you have a WinRAR, double click the file and the file will open like this. Go to the folder XL, open that folder and then go to the worksheets. We have one sheet, see it is sheet number 1. Click and drag it outside to do the work on it. After that, right click and click edit. As you see, you have some lines of code. We will look for something called sheet protection. So for easy, we press Ctrl F on keyboard and then write sheet protection and then find it. As you see, the says it is password next to it. If you remove the password, just remove the letter between the two double quotations, remove it and save this file. Close it and click save and then drag it back to the zip file where it was and then click OK. Close and we don't need this file anymore. We remove it, we delete it and then close the file. Now we have to convert it back to Excel sheet. So right click, rename and change the extension to xlsx. This way it will come back to Excel file. Now let's open it and see if the password has been removed. The file is still protected, so for this we go to the review and then click Unprotect sheet. As you see, it didn't ask for password because we have removed the password and now the file is unprotected and you can do the changes as you like. This is one of the scenarios. If you have an older version, you will convert it to a new version, then you do the work. In case you have the newer version xlsx, what you do, same way, you go to rename and change the extension to a zip. This way the file will be converted to zip file. After you have converted to zip file, open it. Same way, go to Excel and worksheet folder, drag the file out and then right click edit. This time you will not see a password. So same way we will look for sheet protection. Ctrl F to get the find dialog box and then find. See, as you see, we don't have password word in this lines. So what we do, we remove this code completely. We have an open tag for the sheet protection. So what we do, we just remove this block of code. So we will look for the end of this code, we will look for the closing tag. So this is the closing tag. Hit enter to make it separate, and be careful, only delete this code, not extra things. Sometimes you may delete something from the other lines, so you have to be very careful. Delete it and then click save, then drag it back to the zip file, click OK, and then we don't need this, delete it, close the window, and then now we have to rename it back to Excel sheet. So only change the extension to xlsx. Hit enter and click yes. Now let's open it. As you see, the file has been unprotected now, and you can do any changes you want. This way we were able to remove the password from Excel sheet in 2 scenarios. I hope this video was useful for everybody, and see you in my next video.